Hi, it's me, for Bilberbox, the British Tech Guru. This is a Zener experiment. And now I'm getting 6.3 volts from the solar panel. That's way too much for my Tiny 85. But if I put a Zener across these two, the electronics purists are probably going to be horrified. Then that drops the voltage to 4.3, which amazingly is what the value of the Zener is, 4.3. Now, let's see how it works in less than perfect light. And here we are in the shade, less than perfect light. So, my solar panel is reading 5.7 volts. Let's put the Zener across it. This is an old trick I learned from a bicycle dynamo set that I once had. Well, 4.1, it's dropped a little bit beyond 4.3, but that is not too bad. That will protect my Tiny 85. What I need to do now is to work out how to include this in a circuit that will power the Tiny 85 and the transmitter. Now 6.3, I think the transmitter will take 7 volts. So yeah, Zener diode, score. Buck converter, fail.